Hello there. Wherever you're looking at this video, I'm afraid that today the forecast isn't looking good. The country is facing real crisis, with thousands of people experiencing homelessness nationwide and just under 3,500 accessing emergency accommodation. Almost 600 families across every county have been left homeless, and the numbers are expected to increase. North, south, east and west, more than 1,000 children in Ireland are homeless and staying in emergency accommodation right now. The Simon community reports that demand for services are up 41%, and this continues to grow. This is almost breaking point for the Simon community as they respond to the rising numbers seeking housing and support. Social housing just cannot meet the demands, with 90,000 people on housing lists waiting to get a permanent home. The outlook? We're predicting that conditions will continue to deteriorate as very few properties are available to rent, and rents are getting higher and higher. Rent supports are just too low, pushing vulnerable people out of their homes, and this is getting worse every day. The good news is we can do something to change this, and you can do it too. Please sign and send our letter on simonhomelessforecast.ie urging the government to take vital action to end the crisis now. And please, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends on Facebook and Twitter. Together, we can change the outlook for people who are homeless in Ireland today.